Okay, I'm on Adobe Color, 2 notches down rather than 1 yesterday. I was actually on 000 before yesterday, and I'm inside, so that's another test as well. And I always like to start with WHITTAKERII because they're the easiest. So I've got them out of the box, and I just sort of give them a bit of a, get out any of these seeds, or thing. Give them a bit of a squash. Get any ones that haven't burst out. And as I was trying to say, yesterday, before the card ran out, it wasn't me actually knocking the camera. Well, it was a combination of the knocking it exactly when the card was about to run out, sort of thing. So yeah. Okay. So we get rid of most of this fresh material and leaving us with some WHITTAKERII seed, and then we basically just got to sort out the seed from the sand, sort of thing, which won't be too hard because we can just put it through because the seed is one of the largest, probably got the largest tester in the genus, sort of thing. We can just, I reckon it's only going to, I was hoping to send him in 2 tubes, but I'm going to have to get some reserve supplies out in the back room or something, because I wanted to send him 2 tubes full up if I can. No, I might not be able to do it, but anyway. So give them enough to play around with, get some into tissue culture, but as I said, they're a bit of a bugger because they seem to have the thickest seed coat of all the drossel or the sundew. And also today I'm on spot colour and focus, which I wasn't on yesterday, so anyway, as I was saying yesterday, the roots on that's supposed to be orange. Okay, maybe we do have to change things for inside under low light conditions, but as I was saying, I haven't seen any decent roots on Capensis since the 70s, sort of thing. In the 70s you used to go around to someone's place and they give you a Capensis or something, and it'd have thick roots on it, up to this size, or sometimes even fatter, one of those fatter sort of pens or pencil, like pastel thickness or something, and they'd be about that long sort of thing. They'd be sort of this sort of long or longer. And the same thing with Bonati, you just get big long roots on them, up to 30 centimetres, and I'm just thinking, if the plant, is there some sort of proportionality between the length of the roots and the height of the plant, sort of thing, because roots are only there for a few basic reasons, at least 3, maybe 4, anchorage, water, nutrients, and in a way, mycorrhizae, if they are actually mycorrhizal, sort of thing. So if they do have the capacity to produce these big fat thick roots, then the question is, why are they producing those big fat thick roots, and what are they storing in those big fat thick roots, if that is a way of, I don't know, getting them, what are they in there storing in their central core, if that's possible, and is that central core going to be different for one species to another, sort of thing, if we can get it to focus? Come on, spot colour. No, it ain't going to work with this colour. It's too dark, is it? No, it's a lead pencil. That's why it's not coloured. It's not picking up their colour. Anyway, so what are they? Why are they producing? What makes them produce them? And you can even some of the leaf bases on the Capensis go red and fatten up, sort of thing. So what is it? What are they storing in there? Is it one nutrients? Is there some sort of symbiotic organism? Is it a combination of they start storing the nutrients and then the symbiotic organism follows into the roots and into the leaf bases and fatten them? And then why? Is it just a like a little cave for them? A little safety place for the I don't know what it could be. It could be cyanophyta, it could be some other organ. Is it a cyanophyta that changes colour when it's housed in there? It only goes green when it needs to photosynthesize, but when it's inside the plant, it doesn't need to photosynthesize, so therefore it turns red or something, or it turns red because it's got some sort of photosynthate that helps the plant fix something from the atmosphere, maybe nitrogen, I don't know, or some other thing that it wants, I don't know. But until you can actually find out one how to get them to grow, you know, you haven't really got an in of finding out why they're growing, sort of thing. But anyway, I think that's enough of this spill. Only got about, I've spent about 3 minutes on this, and anyway, the next one hopefully I would have sorted this out, and I'll sift this one out and see what I've got in the back room. Okay, over and out for now.